Today we're going to talk about two very important aspects of harmony: voice leading and plurality. Plurality is this harmonic phenomenon where one structure can function in many different ways. There's a phrase by Mick Goodrick that he said that the question is not how many chords do you know, but how many usages for each chord. I could even say that this chord, if I put a G on the bass here, I could see the same F major 7th as a G sus. Voice leading it's the most effective way of changing one chord to another. So we change only what is absolutely necessary. It has some melodic consequences to it. And then the good news is that I'm already playing the best voice leading possible for those chords. You are dealing with two things at once. You are doing the best voice leading, the cycle in the major scale, but also 6-2-5-1, 2-5-1s using 4-note rootless chords.